Login loop error on Yolt Business Fix. If your Yolt business account keeps looping back to the login screen every time you sign in, it can feel like you're stuck in a digital maze. But here's the surprising truth: the problem is rarely with Yolt itself. Instead, it's almost always caused by cache or corrupted data stored on your device. Let's go through how to fix it step by step. First, fully close the Yolt app or browser tab. Then reopen it and try signing in again. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find Yolt and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstalling and reinstalling the app achieves the same result. This wipes out old session data that might be causing the loop. If you're using the web version, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History and clear cookies related to Yolt. Expired authentication tokens stored in cookies are one of the most common causes of the login loop. Next, make sure your app or browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated software often struggles with new security protocols used by financial apps like Yolt. If you're still stuck, switch your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or try a different network. Some firewalls block the secure redirects required for login. Also, disable password managers or browser extensions temporarily. These can autofill outdated credentials or add hidden characters that confuse the login system. After completing these steps, restart your device and log in again. Most users find that this completely resolves the issue. So if your Yolt business account keeps looping, don't assume your login is broken or your account is locked. It's just your device holding onto bad data. Clear the cache, refresh your connection, and you'll be back to managing your business finances in seconds.